people. I'm happy to come your way again today. You're welcome to my channel. Now, have you ever wondered why as people get older, some of them begin to bend? They begin to experience different pains in their bodies. They cannot bend in a certain way. Some of them cannot dance. When they dance, when they try to, twist, they have this pain in their back and they go, my back. The reason is medical science has it that you lose muscles as you age. Your muscles get weak. Your joints also get weak. And you know what? It gets worse with bad lifestyle. If people die from bad lifestyle, not necessarily age. The only thing is, as they get older and the body is no longer as strong, the bad lifestyle which has accumulated begins to tell on their body, and then wear and tear sets in. Sometimes they say, oh, I'm aging, it's okay, but there are things you can do. Preserve your body, take care of your body to ensure that even at age 70 and 80, you are not bowed over, you are not bent, you are not dancing and you go, oh, my back. I met a woman who was 72 years old and she could still touch her toes. Yes. So my lovely people, you can actually do something to strengthen your body as the body begins to get older and weaken. So as people get older, they begin to weaken in different parts of their body, especially in places like the back region, the lower back region especially. And so you notice that their backs cannot carry them anymore. Their legs also can hardly carry them anymore. And if you notice, the older people get, the more they put on weight. So the legs cannot carry them anymore due to arthritis or due to just general weakness of the joints and the muscles. So today I'm going to be showing you simple workouts, simple exercises that you can do to strengthen those muscles in the back so that they don't get weak. Whatever age you are at right now, you may be in your 20s watching this, your 30s, 40s, 50s, or even in your 60s. Know that you can start from any age, but of course, the older you get, the less you can do. Ernestine Shepherd started working out, being a bodybuilder in her 50s. But let me tell you the best time to start. In your 20s. When you start to build your muscles, when you start to strengthen your muscles from your 20s, 30s, and you're consistent up until, of course, your 50s, 60s, you'll notice that when you're in your 60s or your 70s, you don't have much issues. My father stood upright until he was in his 80s. He never slouched. He never, because of his lifestyle, because of his exercise, because of his routines. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you simple workouts that you can do that will strengthen your back muscles and keep them toned and fit for you when you get older. So watch this, do them, be consistent with them, and you'll be thankful at the end of the day. Keep watching.
Hello guys, welcome to the workout segment of this video. This is our back strengthening workout routine. If you want to strengthen your back muscles, you want to watch this routine till the end. Follow everything that you see me do here. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm warming up. You need to warm up before any major workout, before any major exercise, so that you don't hurt yourself. So now I'm just hopping from side to side, and then I'm loosening out my arms as I'm doing so. Take note of the arm movement. It could look silly, but when you do this exactly the way it is, you'll notice that as you do this, if there's any tension in your arms, it eases out. Okay, so you just hop from side to side, and then you can notice my head movement as well. The head movement helps to also ease out tension in your head and in your neck. And then I try to mimic a running or jogging movement. You can just watch and follow this movement. And then I'm showing you the side and the front to let you see how it should be. And then I change my movement to mimic a treadmill movement. Okay, when you're using a treadmill, you're walking on a treadmill and you hold the handle. That's the kind of movement that you make. So in case you're not in a gym, you're not using a treadmill, you can mimic those movements at home. Okay. And then you have these side movements. It flexes your entire body. I look like I don't have bones, right? And then you could just shake up all your body, free your body. And then I'm going back to the the hopping from side to side movement, and then I'm mimicking the skipping movement as well. You can skip fast, you can skip with only one leg, it's up to you, but you could mimic the skipping movement even if you don't have a skipping rope. Okay, and then I'm done with that. I shake it all out. Now the next thing I'm gonna do after warming up, this is just a short warm up. The next thing I'm gonna do is you go on your knees. We're gonna be doing the baby pose. It's called the baby pose. Your hands and knees on the floor, and then you go down to this position with your head or your face touching your knees. Hold the baby pose down for about 5 seconds, 5 counts, and then you come back up. Now the next thing we're going to do is put your chin to your chest and also tuck in your tummy, arc your back upwards, take your back up just as you see me do, and then hold that pose and count again. You can do this for about 7 times, and then release it, take your head up and then arc your back inwards as you can see, and hold that for about 7 counts as well. Take it back in with your back arcing outwards, and then come back out. Notice my head movement and my back movement. Okay, if you've been having back pains, you'll notice that this relieves your back pains. You would also feel the tension and the strain in your back when doing this workout if you've been having back pains. But what happens is that if you do them for a bit, the strain begins to ease out, the tension begins to ease out because your back will get strengthened. Now the next workout we're going to be doing is the cobra stretch. For this, we're going to lie flat on the floor and then position our arms right beside us this way, and then lift yourself with the help of your hands pushing against the ground. Lift yourself off the floor, lift yourself up off the floor, and make sure that your body is as close to the ground as possible. Your hands are just a wedge, and then lower yourself back down. You can also repeat this and hold it there for another 5 to 7 counts and lower yourself again. You would feel it in your back region, your lower back region. You could do it another time and hold it again for about 5 to 7 counts and lower yourself again. So the next move you're going to be seeing is this move. As sit-up strengthens your tummy muscles, this strengthens your back muscles. So for this move, you hold on to the back of your ears, and then you lift yourself off the ground for about 5 to 7 counts, depending on how far you can go. I mean, if you can do only 3, that's fine for starters, okay? You would want to do this with someone holding the back of your leg, and then you take it to the left, and then you take it to the right, okay? And then the next workout we're going to do is take your hands and your legs off the ground and just rest on your tummy. You don't have to go all the way up if you cannot, okay? And then hold that down for like 5 to 7 counts as well. And then we go back to our baby pose with your face to your knees, just the way you see it done. Remember that the more you practice this, the more flexible you become. So even if you cannot strike that pose immediately, don't worry. With more practice, you'll get there. And then we also move back to this workout. Arc your back up and then in. And then that's the end of the routine. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.